Hi, brother. How are you?
I don't see.
Hello? Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I am always seeing you. Hi,
Yeah, hi. How are you?
I'm good. And you?
Yeah, I'm also doing amazing, brother. Thank you for asking me. So, where are you calling from?
I'm from West Bengal in Kolkata.
West Bengal in Kolkata. Like, oh, that's great. Okay. And my name is Samir.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
calling from Mumbai.
Okay, Samir. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you, brother. So, please tell me about yourself, brother. Like, who are you? I
Yeah,
mean, what's your profession? What do you do? Like that,
I'm a,
little bit.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm trying. I'm Kartik Shah. My name is Kartik Shah, and I'm from Kolkata. Obviously, I told, and I'm a working man. Okay, I'm
Okay.
doing I'm doing garment sector job. I'm a cutting in charge. Yeah, I
Okay.
handle. Yes, I handle. I'm working 30 people.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Okay.
and I handling these are cutting garments, cutting and a t-shirt, pants,
Yeah,
something.
that's
Yeah,
good. Okay.
this is only on this cutting section. Only my handling. I
Oh, I
handling.
see. Okay,
Yeah,
that's good. That's good, brother. So you are like a great person already. So what about your career, brother? Are you thinking about make a career in this field, like you are government,
yeah. I'm
garment,
no
garment? Yeah.
garments.
You're working a
This
garment sector.
I want to be I want to be a businessman in the future, and yeah, that's why I'm trying. And this field is a very good field, and I'm
Okay.
trying this my best. After 3 and 4 years, I'm doing my own business. I'm started own business. This why I'm trying.
That's good, brother.
I'll start it.
Just keep going
Yeah,
and get a good experience, and definitely future time. If you believe yourself, if you struggle, then you will get success. You will, start your own business. So just do hard work, brother. So, bro, can you
obviously,
tell me about
obviously.
your study? Like, what did you done? Did you done any
Yeah.
graduation?
I'm just completed.
Yeah.
I'm just I'm just completed HS.
Okay. Eight what?
HS. HS. 12th.
HS. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
12th.
HSC. I see. Only 12.
HS. Only
Okay. Okay.
12th. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So which stream you done your 12th standard, like
Only one stream, arts.
art, art.
Arts,
Then
arts.
what about your further study? Like after 12th, you didn't think like I want to,
This
just graduation like that. So
obviously,
what about?
obviously, but this time my family is not situation not good. This was
Okay,
time that
okay,
was not good because I'm study years of 12th, and definitely in my own money. I'm temporarily this side work I'll do.
hmm,
I was side work, and that time I'm
okay,
doing my work.
hmm,
You know, uh, I just
okay,
forget some word. I'm
okay.
studying.
No problem. You are surviving your family. You are doing a hard work. Like you want to do like complete a graduation, then after that you suddenly you saw your family condition. I understand, brother. It's very difficult, no problem. So by the way,
Yeah, that's
like
why.
about your English journey, what about your English journey, like when did you
You
start?
know, you know.
Yeah.
I'm just after lockdown. Just a 2 month ago. Just a 2 month ago.
Okay.
I'm started. I
Oh,
was
I
started.
see. Okay, okay,
Yeah,
that's so
and that's
right
why
now.
I'm just I told him, just one friend might suggest you download Skype, and
Okay.
this was so many good apps, and that's I'm trying.
Yes.
You just three people. I'm just asking face to face conversation. Just three number for you.
Okay, I'm a third person. You are
Third
connecting
person.
with me.
Yeah,
I'm a third.
yeah,
Oh my God, that's
yeah.
cool.
Only third person.
See,
And
brother.
that's I'm so
Uh-huh. Yeah, go ahead. Tell me.
I'm really excited. Yo, I'm just excited. I'm really excited, man. You are just a YouTuber, and you just asking something, and you are the first time, and I'm conversation face to face, and talk with English, just to
Okay.
somewhat bounce my head, and somewhat I thinking, somewhat I forget so many,
Yeah,
so many
it's
things.
happened. It's happened, brother.
Started my mumbling. That's I'm trying.
Yes, yes, that's good thing, brother. Sometimes it's happen like we if we do practice more and when then we will get a little bit problem. We can say like hesitation, sorry, hesitation and fear like that because we do not spend more and more. But it's if you do regular one thing, brother, like about video calling, audio calling with stranger people, automatically we will get the idea. We will get a fluency. We can say and this is good application Skype video calling. We can say this is fantastic application. We can connect each other easily and we can talk easily like how hi how are you normal conversation. I don't know like who suggests you, but whoever suggests you, this application, it's fantastic, brother. You don't believe me. Before Skype video calling, I was feeling too nervous. I wasn't making eye contact. I was feeling too totally shy and low confidence like that. Then I realized like people talking about, we can say, Skype video calling, WhatsApp video calling, and like that XYZ. Then I remember that my first conversation on video calling, Skype video calling, we can say not 3 months ago, like 2.5 months ago, I started my first conversation. Okay, over there I realized, man, like we can talk, we can make a long conversation without any partner because right now we are stranger, we don't know each other, but we can communicate easily without any condition, without any like hi hello normal conversation. So if we conversation little bit day by day regular basis, we will get an idea. We will like work ourselves about communication,
Yeah,
about English language. This is good thing, brother. Just always try to make a video call because we don't have a atmosphere and partner. So that's why reason we came here, and we are talking each other. We
yeah,
are I see, I'm watching your face, your expression, your tongue, everything, your story. You can see my face, a wording like that, what I'm trying to tell you, what you are trying to tell me. So we are understanding each other. We can say one type of we are taking our interview each other, and we will learn in here about eye contact, about expression, about English language. So this is good platform, brother. Always
it's a
I
very
prefer to
good.
video calling. Yeah, always I prefer to. Okay,
If you don't mind, I'm just asking something.
tell me.
Yeah, yeah. You are YouTuber.
Yeah, brother, I have a YouTube channel. I'm making a
What?
video about English conversation, like we can say how to learn, how to understand. And if you have any confidence, if you have any query about related to English language, so those topic, those thing story, I try to make. I try to show off in my, in front of people. And this is my passion, brother. I love to making a
Obviously,
video
good one.
and photography
This is your
also.
passion.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's a very
that's
good
why
one.
reason
What
make
do
a
you what do you think? What do you think? How to speak fluent?
see, brother. This is we can say like fluence means it's okay, but we are not native to it. Okay. First thing we
Yes,
have to understand, we are Indian people. Why we are learning a English language? We are if we are going to show up in front of people like just show English language, so that's why reason we are learning like English. No, brother. We can say like we want to make a good career. We have to
yeah,
understand culture, environment. That's why region like we are going to try a learning English skill, we can say English language. For example, if I give an example like you want to become a businessman. Okay, and if you go to outside, for example, you start your business in here, then literally if you struggle more and more, your business is going to running, expanding, we can say like one state to another state to third, fourth state, like all our world. Sometime a situation come, you can extend, you can expand your business in foreign country also. So over there, English communication is very important. You know very well about your language like Hindi and mother tongue language. Okay, but a situation comes to English. So over there, how will you manage? So we can say like
Yeah, yeah.
English is very important. If you learn, okay, then definitely whoever your dealer, your customer, your wholesaler, like that, those people try to understand like he's educated and he's a good knowledge about business, work, how to handle, how to manage, and you are literature. We can say you understand everything if you learn English language. So people try to attract you, so that's why
Yeah,
reason, brother, English is very important. Not now.
obviously.
For example, if you go to attend any kind of job, like we can say calling department, back office, mall center, we can say like any job. Just take example, any job. Before job, we have to give an interview. And if you think about like interview, in interviewer always take an interview. We can say English language. If you have a good communication, then we can say first impression to last impression, brother. So
Yeah,
communication is very important. If you show your English in front of interviewer, definitely he will impress with you. He will try to understand you like he have a good skill, something new. Definitely he will give a chance, at least one chance. Then after that, like depend on your performance, how will you work with your organization. So it's very important, brother, communication. If
yeah, yeah.
if you communication skill, then definitely you can make a good career. Like you can
Good career.
go to abroad also, you can settle down any English country also. Over
Any
there
other
it's
state?
necessary, it's requirement. So English is everywhere, brother, everywhere. Seriously.
Obviously.
Yeah.
Yeah, how to, this is my question is for how to speak. Just,
Yeah, speak and become a fluency. See, brother, if
yeah,
you practice regular, automatically you will get a
I'm
fluency. For
just
example, I'm going to give example like, what about your mother tongue language?
Bengali.
Bengali. Okay, so can you tell me about like your Bengali language, like how did you learn your mother tongue language?
How did you?
Yeah,
Just
how did
listen.
you? Yeah?
Listen.
Okay, okay, only
Listen.
listening. Okay,
Yeah,
okay, only listening, watching and speaking, am I right?
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. Obviously.
I think right now you are a fluency in your mother tongue language. Am I right?
Yeah,
Why you are fluency? Why you are speaking of perfectly about your mother tongue language? Like
because
why? What is the reason? What did you learn?
I am
Yeah,
since my that's this is our mother tongue. I'm anywhere going for any work anywhere. So that's why listening and speak with any other people.
yeah. This is my
So
real.
everybody speak with Bengali.
Yeah, right. Absolutely, you're right. Your mother tongue language, we can say Bengali, and you are master in your mother tongue language. Okay, so same thing, English, brother. If you listen more, if you watch more, if you try to speak more, automatically you will get a fluency. We can say automatically, brother. Because why you master in your language, we can say like you are always conversation with your friend circle, with your family circle, with your people, and in job circle, like that everywhere you try to communication skill. We can say like you try to use the Bengali language. Okay, so that's why reason you are master. So same thing English language also, brother. If you listen more, if you try to speak more with your friend circle, with your family circle, little bit with your colleagues in your job location, like that, if you think English always, then you will get a fluency
Yeah, yeah.
automatic. Over there it's not requirement any degree. Over there it's not requirement any like any study like 10, 12, graduation, nothing. Depend on practice, brother. If you speed, if you speak more and more, automatically you will get a knowledge and fluency, because automatically we will. So first thing, brother, we have to make a habit. Habit is very important. Like a day, just think about a day only for 2 hours. just try to speak with yourself, with your friend circle, with your family, with stranger people. If you try regular or 2 hours, automatically, brother, you will get an idea. You can learn more and more knowledge, like how to practice, how to learn English language, how to get a fluent. Yeah, you're getting my point.
Thank you.
Yeah. See, brother,
Yes,
here here is we came here about we are learning each other, okay? So we can say no anyone perfect to English language, everyone beginner, everyone we can say learning.
everyone. Yeah,
We can say second language, like this is our not a first language, this is not a primary, this is like we can say secondary language we are learning, okay? And in future time, brother, like a whole everywhere English will be talking going everywhere in future time, definitely. Nowadays people are just trying to learn, not giving effort, but in future time people will give a effort, 100% effort. Like without English we cannot
yeah.
survive in future,
You can
definitely
suffer
a
in
job.
future, right?
Yeah.
Without English, you can do anything. This
Yes,
for
brother.
private sector is a more important. Is to speak
Yes, yes.
English. That's why I'm started, and I'll
Okay,
try.
that's good, brother. Just keep going. Try to learn more. We can say like just try to listen more, watch more, and try to speak more and more. If you
Yeah.
listen more, automatically your mind thinking like what I'm trying to tell. Just convert yourself, like talk to person. Whatever you do, just think about like right now I'm reading a book, I'm going to outside, I'm talking with stranger people. Just try to make a talk to, just convert yourself, talk to person, mumbling, talk to more and more, just convert. Then you will become a master on English language, brother. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, thank you.
So yeah, anyway, brother, it was amazing conversation. Seriously, today I'm happy with you because you are doing hard work, and all the best your future. Okay, you will become a like businessman. So I will definitely bless you. Okay, I hope so. You will achieve whatever you want. Okay. So bye bye. Thank you very much connecting with me, and don't forget, brother. Don't forget. We can say like just always try to learn English language. Okay.
Okay, okay, obviously.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.